Motul 300V. If you wanna run your engine very quickly, Motul 300V. Media. Amistoso and this is Iñaki. We are here in Clark International Speedway for the first leg of the Philippine SuperBike Championship. As you can hear, it's very noisy as the 200cc bikes are doing their practice session. We have 40 minutes till the race start for the heavy class. Tito Iñaki, what can we expect for today?
Well, as we talked about the season of the Auto year, he's talking to DJ one factor that will be tested here is the
That is true, Tito Iñaki. From the riders Tito Iñaki was able to interview, we have heard that the format was changed recently, making for better racing. So stay tuned and keep watching as we give you more content here at Clark International Speedway. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please tell us in the comments below. Please don't forget also to subscribe to Tito Iñaki's RideNTandem and catch them in their magazine, The Perfect Drive. Cheers!
Sa jet ski champion sa motor. So we are here with Idol DJ. How does it feel to be back?
Well, first of all, good morning, Kuya. It's nice to have the races again, even though, of course, with the current situation. it's nice to see the people here. There's new people also. See that community is growing, the racing scene is growing. It's getting more exciting. People are getting faster. There's a lot of new fast guys. Hopefully the weather cooperates so we will see a good race for everyone. Everyone will have a good and safe race as well. Excited.
I saw the qualifying, man.
Ako po.
Walang pagbabago.
Kailangan, kuya.
Good luck, brother. I know, good luck.
Kuya, it's nice to see you again. And
Yes.
I hope I could have you as guest again in Subic, kuya.
Sure.
Balik po kayo.
Good luck, bro.
Thank you, kuya. So, it's not just about the skills. Magkakaalaman dito yung conditioning ng rider.
So we're headed to the third floor of the paddock. Hopefully we can see a good start.
Bawal po dito sa technique. Pag-start, nakakay po ulit. Attention, Ducati na riders, bawal po dito sa technique. Lahat po nasa pit, alis po na, pag-start, nakakay po ulit. Bawal po dyan. Lahat po ng nasa pit, bawal po. Stay nyo muna po dyan, nakakay po punta.
That is the signal for everyone that is not racing to depart the start line.
Oh, please, wala ka makakat. Ito lang sa'yo dito.
Takbo na ako.
baba dyan, baba. Huwag kayong sumampa sa pader. Yung mga nakalabas sa tuhod, baba dyan, baba.
Tapos wala pa, late pa. Kaya nakakauwi na, malaging po. Idol! Yan! Yan sa kasi Miguel. Idol coach. Matututo ka talaga dito, pare, na mamalo.
Bolero yan, pare. Kung
as you may have noticed, we are vlogging fully on the iPhone now. Everything that's nice will be shot by this thing. Look at that. Oh, damn. I need one of those. I need Black Cat, or just went behind me. That's so much good luck. But sabi nila in English, if a black cat crosses your path, that's bad luck. So if a black cat passed behind you, then dude, that's f***ing good luck. And dyan nagtatapos ang aking katarantaduhan for today. Wow, look at that. I'm going to stand next to it for scale, huh? booth. So we're headed inside the Motul booth. That's it. Motul, the windows Motul. Motul 300V. If you wanna run your engine very quickly, Motul 300V. Anyway, so hopefully Tito Iñaki is here.
Ganun yung camera. Hindi ka nakasunod kasi masyadong mabilis yung galaw ko.
That was a nice and sick sequence. I'm not going to edit that one bit. Yeah, we're gonna find our way inside the track. We're going inside the track! Hopefully, my nice wristband will get me through. Ayun, so that's one thing we learned today. Bawal nakachinela sa track. Man, we're going inside the track. Let's see if they stop us.
Okay, salamat.
What an amazing experience. Oh wait, we did not feature TJ yet himself. This is Jax's product. So she was running this bike in the morning. I think it was the first race of her class today. And apparently the engine cut out. She wasn't getting any power. By the looks of it, it was over rev. And then the ECU didn't want it. I thought the driver aids would usually be turned off. Everything would be turned off. But yes, so that was just the warm-up lap. Basically, we have to get out of there. Bawal sa pit lane.
Bawal po dito sa pit. Pag-start, nakawal po ulit. Lahat po nasa pit. Alis po na, pag-start, nakawal po ulit. Bawal po dyan. Lahat po nang nasa pit, bawal po. Stay nyo muna po dyan, nakawal po punta.
When... Oh, kung tignan mo, bawal sa pit lane when... well, pit wall. Bawal sa pit wall when the motorcycles go. So, watch this. I'm gonna show you how people move when you ask them to move in the Philippines. Off the pit wall! watch them now. Okay, so I'm lazy as so I'm gonna be putting the GoPro in front of the racetrack so we can get nice photos. And then I'll just vlog with it. Ng ganitong level ng racing, tapos nasa tabi kayo ng shifting point nila, maririnig nyo talagang nawawala yung paningin nawawala yung pandinig dito sa right ear ko, kasi nga itong point na to right here is the shifting point and it goes. Thank you, editor. We're going to make a remix out of that. Okay, so the good thing about having a GoPro running like that, okay, but that's the BMW rider that we have. What were we talking about? Anyway, the good thing about setting up a GoPro in the middle of the racetrack is that it's basically a lap time. I can not take notes and still have lap time. So thank you, technology. I'll have nice footage over here. Check out my vlog. Yeah, so that's what's recording the very beautiful footage. Very beautiful. Beautiful. Can you say it again? There's will be no accent. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my god! Looks like this race is over. The BMW is out. For a race as long as 12 laps, you don't really have time for a pit stop. And it looks like it's a puncture. It does look like a puncture. I'm swabby like that when it comes to like knowing shit. Yeah, so as I saw, natanggal no? Natanggal nga kuya. Natanggal. Kaya ako bilis siya sumigaw. Natanggal. Wala kaming tao. So these are the guys from Pirelli. Make a segment on vlogging in a racetrack. So he's done it. Okay, Alberto.
Attention to all director groups.
So on second place it's a Kawasaki Ninja DX and double R.
Ang liit na mundo, no?
Liit na mundo, man. Small world.
Kasi nung isang araw lang, nakita ko yung picture niya kasama si Sir Peter.
Hindi ka nakita niya.
Congrats. Hello.
Kaya namin si Enzo. Minsan Amistoso.
Sama.
Enzo.
Siya na ang mag-ibig. yan. Sige na ba yan?
Hindi namin tinitira yung jump na yun.
Oo.
Tinira niya. Ayun.
Buti yan yan.
Buti.
Buti. Remember, with every great story comes buti. So yeah, I guess that ends our coverage of the Philippine Superbike here in Clark International Speedway. Ito niya, would you like to say something?
Oh, it's a very, very exciting game for Marvin Magulangan, who had a technical problem with the bike, and I think all the riders are still trying to figure out getting back into the physical side of it, but it's only leg one. So for everyone, randomly up in North, but not for us. That's us.
Once again, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let us know in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to Tito Iñaki's channel, Ride in Tandem, the Perfect Ride magazine.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Real time naman.
Puncture natanggal daw.
No, it was he got punctured, probably a nail, and the nail flew off. That speed will fly off. He did the fake slowly. He was feeling it while he was taking corners, coming out of the corner, the bike would slide. He knew there was something wrong, so he was looking at his rear.
That's why he was
He kept looking at his rear. Just to show that it was deflating.
turned up.
Yeah. Malam. Kasi,
Ganun talaga.
sayang lang because we wanted to see another good fight.
They don't have any way to communicate with you.
None. Zero. Even in MotoGP, how they communicate is just in the dashboard. There's a dashboard, and then they communicate. They give you codes like code 3. Code 3 means pit in. There's 4 more races to go. I mean, 4 more Sundays. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 races.
Stay tuned for more.
No, more. He had a race. This is his second race today, right? Second race today. Oh, there's 2 more races tomorrow. At tagal pa. I guess lot of races. You never know. The other things can happen also. Part of racing.
The beauty of racing.
But look, Jack Concho had a problem with her BMW. She used the Suzuki. No issue. She even beat Koto from Suzuki. She overtook Koto.
What was the issue?
The first race,
Thank you for answering your question.
okay. Ang excited.
Ano channel mo?
Enzo Amistoso.
Ito na lang lagay natin. Para yung viewers ko.
Hi guys, my name is Enzo Amistoso. I vlog about cycling, bikes, cars, everything na trip natin. So please do subscribe to me.
Yeah, subscribe guys. Subscribe. RideNTandem guys. Please like and share this Facebook page. Thank you.
Pwede na.
Add mo ka sa Facebook page ko na Jabdol97. Tapos send mo sa akin ng yung logo, YouTube logo mo, logo channel mo. Para flash ko na lang sa page.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Did that just happen, man? The fastest growing YouTuber in the Philippines is gonna plug us. Pa-plug tayo.
Oh.
Yeah!